Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add roles in Discord. First, go to the server settings right here and here click on server settings, and after that go to roles under overview. Once you're there, you could create a role. As you can see, there's a new role here. Let's name it members. After that, you can go click on save, and you could also edit the role color. Let's say yellow, so something like that. Go save changes. After that, you could now make a channel. Like, it's up to you what channel you want for the role to access. So let's say let's add channel. So the members here on this channel is the server owner, also these ones, which is the administrator. And if you want to add members, so as you can see, only the members can see this part. So I've added the members, and there you go, the members here. So basically, members of this role can see this channel, and other members, like my verified members and this person, cannot see the channel, only the members. So after that, go open your browser, search for YAG PDB, just like so, and here click on the first link. So wait for it to load. And once you're here, so as you can see, go to add to server right here on the top. Click on that and go click on authorize. As you can see, we are now here and we are logged in already. And now we could select a server right here. So I'm gonna select my server. And here you could go continue again, authorize. There's a verification that will pop up. Just go through it. As you can see, the bot is now added to my server. Then you could go back to this website again. Now you could click here to start managing, and go to tools and utilities and click on auto role. As you can see, you can now assign a member, but first you need to go back to Discord, go to server settings, go to roles, and make sure that YAG PDB is above all of them so that the bot can administrate the other members. So go back to Chrome or your browser and refresh it. Now you can now click on the members here. So let's click on the members role. We'll click on save. And as you can see, only assign the role when they join, do not give back if it's removed from them afterwards. So click on this. So there you go, and now can you get that, click on save. And now if someone joins your Discord, it will all automatically give them the role members, which is this role. It will automatically give them this and give access to this part on the thoughts channel. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.